Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Welcome to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is the word relieved in Spanish. So we're going to learn about this word. But before we do this, I would like to welcome you to my channel if this is the first time. I upload videos daily, and by clicking that red button, you'll be able to enhance your vocabulary every single day. Muy bien. Relieved in Spanish is aliviado. Aliviado. That's the masculine form. If you want to use the feminine form, you would say aliviada. 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 I'm relieved. Yo estoy aliviado. Like this guy here. Yo estoy aliviado. Aliviado. Relieved. Yo estoy aliviado. Let's see another example. If you're a female, then you would say yo estoy aliviada. Aliviada. Yo estoy aliviada. I'm relieved. One more time, repeat after me. Yo estoy aliviada. If you want to say he is relieved, you would say él está aliviado. Él está aliviado. Look at him. Él está aliviado. She's relieved. Ella está aliviada. Ella está aliviada. Ella está aliviada. She's relieved. Muy bien. Let's see some examples using the past tense. How do we use the word relieved in Spanish in the past tense? He was relieved. Él estaba aliviado. Él estaba, he was, aliviado, relieved. I can see why. Look at the scenery. No wonder he's feeling relieved. Él estaba aliviado. She was relieved. Ella estaba aliviada. Ella estaba aliviada. Can you say it? Aliviada. Remember, aliviada we use with feminine, and aliviado masculine, like this guy. Phew. Aliviado. The word aliviado is spelled A-L-I-V-I-A-D-O. Muy bien, amigos. Excelente. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, click that red button, and share this video with other people that may be studying Spanish also. Enhancing your vocabulary is easy by learning one word a day. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care.